Explore the Admin Reports page. The Admin Reports section provides visibility into system usage, user activity, vehicle assignments, and platform health. First, click Build New Report in the top right corner. The Alert Log report shows system-generated alerts and activity logs. Use this report to review alert history and track important system events. Select a date range for your report. Click Run Report to generate results based on your selected admin report type and filters. Save report configurations to quickly access frequently used admin reports. Use the Download Report feature to export report results for record-keeping, audits, or internal review. You can either export the report as a CSV or as a PDF. Schedule admin reports to run automatically and receive regular updates on system activity and user engagement. Press Submit to lock in your scheduled reporting. You've completed your tour of the Admin Reports page. If you have any questions, feel free to consult our step-by-step guide.